Great is your faithfulness to me. Hi everyone, it is good to see you again, and today I want to teach you the song called Promises from Maverick City. I'm very sorry that I haven't been uploading for a very long time, but let's get straight into it. Keep an eye out for the different colors. Yellow is my right hand, blue is my left hand. So the song goes like this. So this particular section, we're just going to talk about the chords itself. We've only got 4 different ones. And the first one is G minor. And then it's got a kind of like a D minor or F over D. So G minor, just remember the shape. Looks like that. All the whites that are skipping 1. And then we've got E flat. E flat looks like this, and then B flat looks like a big triangle pointing up. Okay, repeat. Da, 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 twice, and then from the rising sun would go to the left. Da, 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 da. You're just holding that D. Da, 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 da. So E flat, B flat repeats itself, and then we go G minor, F, E flat, B flat. Really just try to get that into your hand and remember the shape. So having done that, let's talk about making changes to the chords so that we don't jump around and it helps lead with the melody. So again, G minor. Da, 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 da. So that's where the melody is. We've got E flat, and then I will add the C. E flat, add the C. Da, dum, dum. I'm just doing a B flat add to here. Then the second line of Great is Thy Faithfulness. Great is your faithfulness to me. This time it doesn't go to the C or D, it just goes to B flat. And then we go from the rising sun. My right hand is anchored in this particular spot. So 2 white, black, 2 white, and then we've got F is going to be my repeated anchor point. So at this stage, I can continue holding that because F will fit in all 4 of the chords. It might go like this. Can you see how I did not move much of my right hand? I just kept it to that F, which fits on G minor, F major, E flat major, B flat major. All right, let's do that whole thing once more and keep a close eye. You might have to begin with your left hand first. Just really get that in your left hand. Also, I'll just hold that, G minor. Da, 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 dum. And then the other time is G, F, E flat, B flat. All right, let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da, da. Sorry, I added an F there to lead up. Da, 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 Practice that and see how you go, all right? Remember that Jesus is King, and go practice.